happy homemakers, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an all-day clean with me, which basically means it's more of a vlog style video where I pick up the camera anytime I find myself cleaning throughout the day. And my hope is that you guys will get some major cleaning motivation so you can get in and clean your house as well. So this morning, the area I want to tackle first is my bedroom because it is very messy, and when you see the rest of the house, you'll notice that everything is kind of messy. We had a really busy weekend, a really fun but busy weekend, and the whole house just got kind of messy. So I'm just gonna film all day with tons of great cleaning motivation, and hopefully it really inspires you to get up and clean. And now let's just tackle this very crazy messy bedroom. While I have been keeping up with the housework a lot more lately, like I said, we just had a crazy weekend, things got out of hand, but that's okay because we're gonna take care of it today. I get asked frequently what I do with my kids while I'm cleaning, and this day Marky was on the potty having a little potty break, and Chloe was in the bedroom cleaning with me, just playing around with things as I was cleaning. Before we dive into the cleaning, I'd like to thank my sponsor for today's video, Bellway. Bellway is a fiber supplement that is organic, vegan, and prebiotic, and most of us don't get enough fiber in our diet on a daily basis, and fiber is necessary for things like weight loss, digestion, and optimal nutrition. The fiber comes in these awesome little packets, which is great for the busy mom. All you do is mix it in some cold water. The flavors are good, and what I really love about this brand is that it is sweetened with monk fruit, which is one of the best for you sugars out there. And now, just like collagen, dermatologists are recommending fiber for beautiful hair, skin, and nails, but the cool thing is that results are fast and you will notice clearer, brighter skin in just a few days. So for those of you who are interested in giving it a try, I will have a link down below with a coupon code for 25% off your first order. So give it a try and let me know what you guys think. If this is your first time happening upon my channel, I just really quickly wanted to say welcome. My name is Justine, and on my channel I'm all about joyful motherhood and natural living and an orderly and peaceful home. I work really hard to provide fresh, inspiring content for you guys to invest time in your husbands, families, and homes, and just get a lot of enjoyment out of doing that. So I hope you'll subscribe and follow me on this journey, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on when I upload. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Really quick, would you please make sure that your notification bell is hit, because a lot of you say that you don't get my videos showing up in your feeds. It's like 50-50. So hitting that notification bell will just ensure that you get notified every time I upload a video. If you're a fan of this type of cleaning video, please take a second and hit that like button. That like button helps out so much. It's kind of crazy what a little button can do. So I would really appreciate if you guys would pause really quick and just hit that thumbs up button. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of videos you would like to see coming up on my channel. I have a lot of cleaning content coming, and then also an evening routine, and I want to know what you guys want to watch. So feel free to leave me a comment down below. Okay, so I'm feeling really good about the state of my room now, except for this little pile, which is something that I just really need to get around to organizing. I have a call with my business coach during nap time, so I probably won't get around it today. But also, it's laundry day and I'm washing my comforter, so that's why my bed is not fully made. So we have a lot more cleaning to do out in this area. I have some laundry to fold. Today is laundry day. And Marcus and Coco have been playing outside a lot this morning, which is great. So I'm gonna try to take advantage of that and clean the kitchen. I like to stick in the kitchen or my bedroom while they're playing outside because then I can see them right outside the doors, because I do have the French doors in my bedroom as well. But as you can see, the whole house is a bit of a mess, and hopefully they'll just continue playing so I can tackle it. Their bedroom is also a very big mess. We'll see if we get around to that today. Really quick, I'm gonna tidy up the...
Hey Mama.
Yeah?
They want to get the green light dump truck?
The dump truck?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna clean the table because I'm cooking mac and cheese for your lunch.
Okay, I will get up.
Okay, while lunch is cooking, I'm just gonna clear off the table. The kids had been drawing this morning. And then I'm going to move on to the kitchen, clean up in there, and do the dishes while the kids are playing. Wanted to share this quick tip I learned from my friend Hannah when we were having a play date at their house the other day. She made some mac and cheese, and I thought it was genius that while the pasta was draining in the colander, that's when she just made the cheese sauce in the pan. And I was always pouring the pasta back into the pan and then making the cheese sauce in an extra dish. So ever since I saw her doing that, I thought, wow, this just really cuts out a step. So that's what I've been doing ever since. Usually I like to add some peas or carrots to my pasta to make it a little bit more nutritious. And usually I'll cook those with the pasta water, which is great. But recently a subscriber mentioned to try putting frozen peas into the hot pasta, because that way it will cool down the pasta so that your kids can eat it faster, which I usually just mix it all together and then put it in the freezer. So I thought those were both great tips worth sharing, and I hope that you guys think they're awesome too. If you've been doing either of those, let me know down in the comments. To grab the camera, but I just went out to the freezer and brought in a milk from outside because I've been freezing it now, and as long as you let it defrost on the counter for like 24 hours, it will completely defrost. Then you shake it up and it's just like normal. So it's been great to just have lots of milk out there in the freezer. I also brought in some blueberries to make a smoothie while the kids are eating lunch. I'm gonna make that and then go sit down with them, and I will share the recipe for that as well. And then I brought in some grass-fed ground beef for dinner tomorrow night, but I'm gonna put it in the fridge so it will defrost slowly. So I shared this blueberry protein smoothie over on Instagram, but it is so good, so I wanted to share it with you guys over here as well. You can follow me at Justine Marie if you want to see what I'm up to over there. I daily share recipes and other inspiration over there too, so make sure you don't miss out on that. But first I have some unsweetened almond milk. I use a half a cup of this and a half a cup of coconut water, 2 scoops of my organic protein flour. This is Orgain, I get it at Costco. This is the vanilla bean flavor, it's so good. And then I rotate between a tablespoon of chia seed or hemp or flax, just depending on what I feel like. If I need some energy, I will definitely throw in some chia seed. Then I use half a cup of blueberries and a dash of cinnamon, and that is enough for 1 serving. The great thing is because it has protein, it fills me up. It makes it a great lunch that just gives me the energy that I need to keep going and get the house clean. Also, quick tip, I like to do the liquid first and then everything else, and do the protein powder last and the chia seed last, just so it all blends up and it doesn't stick to the bottom of the blender. So now that lunch is over, I'm just gonna quickly put the rest of the dishes in the dishwasher and start that and finish up my smoothie. Are you excited? Do you want to help me? This is cinnamon. I have to put it away. So I thought I would really quickly mention these scrubbers because I really like them. I think they're really pretty because they're very nicely colored, but this is made with walnut, so it's not going to scratch non-stick surfaces, and then you have the sponge on the other side. These are from Grove Collaborative, but I just got a package very similar at Target by Scotch-Brite, and they're also non-scratch scrub sponges. Anyways, I think it's cool that they're green, and I think they're really pretty as well. Okay, so the kitchen is nice and clean and looking great. And really quick, I want to show you guys. I got this bamboo, sorry, the dishwasher's on if you can't hear me. I got this bamboo rack off of Amazon for like $14. And I love having it here because it looks really cute, but also it's so practical to dry all my hand towels after I dry dishes right there. And it's nice to just have a spot for it and they get nice and dry before I use them again. So I just finished mixing together my fiber, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink this now. The great thing is that I do drink this in the afternoon because whenever like 4 o'clock hits, I start feeling really hungry. So this is gonna keep me full until dinner time. So my bed is still messy, and that is because I'm still doing laundry. The comforter is just taking forever to dry. I'm hoping that it finishes drying before Marcus and Coco wake up so I can put it on my bed, but I've heard them stirring, so that might not happen today. But anyway, so right now I am waiting for a load of laundry to go. I usually do all the laundry and then fold it all together the next day, so that's what's gonna be happening there. So yeah, other than the laundry and doing a little bit of video editing, I don't really need to do anything until after dinner. Hey guys, so it's actually quite a bit later now. The kids had dinner with my mom, and Daniel and I went out on a date night. That's why I'm all dressed up now. So the kids are in bed now, and I'm just going to finish up a little bit more stuff before I go to bed. I need to get our quilt onto the bed, get the last load of laundry in the dryer, then clean up the kitchen and tidy up the toys before going down. So I'm gonna go and do that really quick. My comforter is not dry yet, so I'm gonna have to put it back in the dryer for a little bit and use some other blankets again tonight. Cleaning video. I hope you got a lot of motivation. Let me know in the comments down below and by leaving me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Also, don't forget the link to the Bellway fiber is down below in the description box. I'm really excited to be taking this. I already feel a lot less bloated, which is great. Anyways, I hope you are all having a wonderful night and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.